Photos of real estate properties are great, but to really add value is to have more property information at your fingertips to fully understand the entire layout of the home. Our 3D tours and accurate floor plans, which offer 360-degree images, room dimensions, photos, and more, help home buyers make faster decisions when they want to view a home or even if they want to put an offer in right now. Since COVID, in our current market of greatly reduced inventory, more buyers have now a chance to walk through this property to make a decision. Our cameras record 360-degree views around, up, and down of each space, along with super accurate laser measurements. And by using time-of-flight lidar scanners, the accuracy exceeds commercial and residential industry standards. There are a lot of different reasons to use these types of tours. One is top-notch navigation that takes you through the entire home. The 360-degree panoramic views will aid in seeing the entire floor plan. Unlike other systems where you have to click, 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 just scooch through the house to navigate through, one click on the nodes on the actual floor plan that's visible, you can literally go from room to room very fast. It's very intuitive. Take a tour and visually explore the details of the home like you were standing right in the property. Do you need a better look at the appliances? You want to see what brands they are, what conditions the home ceilings are in? You get much more of an immersive experience that still photos just can't offer alone. Accurate floor plans are measured with a laser scanner to within 0.5% or better of the square footage of the home. These scans are digitized by drafting people to create the floor plans. These are real people, real drafters. Realtors can be confident in their room measurements, and viewers will gain trust in knowing the home is not misrepresented. Room measurements are given in a report for the realtor, but they're also accessible by the viewer on the Details tab. No need to dig out your measuring tape or your digital tape measure anymore. It's all right there. This will save you a lot of time entering your listing in the MLS. Advanced measurements can be done on the interactive floor plan as well, or in the 3D space, so a buyer can check and see if their furniture fits in a space quickly and accurately. Plan upgrades for kitchen renovations, window updates, replacements on flooring, or a lot of different things, and you can use these measurements to determine that before you even move into the house. Book a virtual showing. Yes, you can actually book a virtual showing and navigate through the home with your buyer in real time. Basically, you're sharing a link with them. They click on the link, and then they follow along as you tour the home with them, offering your explanations and your commentary as you show them the home, virtually. Your actions are mirrored on the screens of all the participants, and you just use the share button that you see on the tour, and you can connect with potential buyers. You can just share this link and follow along through a voice call, and it works great. Saves you lots of time, especially with out-of-town buyers. So be sure to try one of our interactive 3D tours on your next listing.